You are watching Travel World Online.
Increase your income by adding insurance to your products because this is not just insurance but beyond. Now, you can create a customized insurance policy to meet your client's expectations, says Dev Karvat, founder and CEO Asego Insurance. Talking to Travel World Online team, Dev said.
So post COVID, the what has happened is the awareness about travel insurance has just gone multifold. Earlier, it was merely seen more as a visa document, which is now changed towards people actually want to buy. They will not travel without buying a travel insurance. There are two big changes that we have seen. One is earlier people traveling to Asia would never buy travel insurance, so the Asia plan has gone up a lot. People traveling to Middle East, Far East, there the number has jumped a lot. And second, people who are buying travel insurance for Schengen countries, where it is mandatory for the visa, there the value has gone up. So people who are first happy with the $50,000 plan, because that is a minimum requirement for the visa. People used to buy that and be happy with it. Now people are suddenly saying that, look, I'm ready to pay that 20% more, but I want a $250,000, $500,000 coverage. So now they're seeing value in paying that 20%, which was not there before COVID. So, like I said, it's a blessing in disguise. That is one part. Second is the overall mindset of people. So, number of people who are traveling is, I think, going to grow multifold going forward. People have started leaving for today, and across all the age group. We get a lot of calls every day where people are on their way to the airport or at the airport, or all have already traveled and have forgotten to buy travel insurance, right? Which has never happened earlier. It was taken for granted that, okay, if I have a medical insurance in India, it will cover me in Dubai, it will cover me in Singapore, which was not the fact. So I think that's been a huge shift at our end over the last 2 years, including during the pandemic. What we've done is that we have just managed to. We had 50 products earlier, and we used to call ourselves as a specialist, but now we have moved from 50 to 250 products, right, in travel insurance. Previously, we used to cover somebody going for scuba diving, which is considered as adventure sports. But now we cover extreme adventure sports, which is also deep sea diving, right? So that's been like one example. But similarly, people traveling across age groups and up to 90 years of age or even beyond, people traveling for extreme adventure activities, students traveling, people traveling for business, they want to cover their laptops, their mobile phones. So there is a solution for everything, and this is the time where a travel agent should, step up. It's a great opportunity. The customers are asking for it. Great opportunity to start offering these products to their customer. Travel insurance is one of the largest revenue generator for the industry today, and it's just going to grow in the share. It's going to be very easy to manage your fixed costs with the income that you get from travel insurance. The other thing what we've also done is that we have created this all good high-end products, and along with that we have created the tech platform to be able to distribute that seamlessly to your customer. So now when you come online, you can actually create a product. What is the exact requirement of your customer? So you can create a base plan of, let's say you want a $50,000 coverage or $250,000 coverage, and on top of that you add whatever is your requirement of a customer. So you can fully customize a product based on the nature of your customer's trip. I think all this is going to ensure that your customer not only feels safe while traveling, but also he is completely secured. God forbid if anything goes wrong, that you've given him the right cover, which will cover him for whether it's medical or non-medical reason, he will get covered for it. To add to everything what I've said just now, there is 98% of the customers who buy travel insurance from India don't claim. Right? There are only 2% people who claim. And the question is then, why should those 98% people keep coming back and buying a travel insurance apart from the visa reasons? So on our product, we've also added, and it's been always there, we have a great medical assistance part of the product, where in case if something goes wrong, he wants a doctor on call, he wants medicines to be delivered to his hotel room, he wants to have access to any kind of medical facilities. All those can be provided by just one phone call. He doesn't need to necessarily have to get hospitalized for something very small. He doesn't have to necessarily claim on the policy to avail of these services. It's just a very holistic product which covers him for all kind of assistance that he requires, medical assistance. If he loses his passport assistance. If he needs any concierge assistance, he can get concierge assistance. He wants to eat in an Indian restaurant, he can call us and we can guide him to the nearest Indian restaurant, book a table for him. He wants to, buy some gift for his relatives. If he's going to go and see them, we can organize for that. So it does insurance meaning or perspective to insurance is just getting broader by the day, and we are happy that we are able to bring that to the customers' expectation.
You are watching Travel World Online.